How to log in into Verizon Wireless. Hello everybody. If you're wondering how you can do that, you may follow up this step. So you can directly head over to one of your preferred browser and type in Verizon in the search bar. And you should be finding the official link of Verizon, which is verizon.com. Just go ahead and locate that up and tap on it in order to open it up. So just wait for the page to load up. And once you open it up, once it opens, you can directly look out for the sign in option or the login option on the screen. Usually it is located at the top right corner of the screen. You can find a sign in option, tap on it, and from here you can look out for login option. So we have this option of business login. You can just tap on it and it will take you to another page. So wait for that page to load up first, and then you should be finding a login interface. So all you gotta do is use up your credentials. So if you're a registered member, just go ahead and type in your user ID in this user ID section. And right below it, we have this password section. You can use your password, which you use in order to create your account. After that, you need to fill in this captcha as well. So just go ahead and do that. After that, tap on login from your screen, and that is it. But if you've forgotten your user ID or password, we have this option given of forgotten user ID or password. You can tap on it and reset your username or password as well. Similarly, if you have not created your account yet, you can look for this register for an account option and tap on it and go ahead and process of creating an account again and log in into your account. And that's it. You may also follow up the same process if you want to log in into Verizon. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.